Hi everyone, this video is quick inside view and two precaution about ASUS ProArt StudioBook H7600Z. To disassemble, take those screws off bottom, take the lid off. Okay, make sure we do anything, take the clip off. Okay, and then slide this connector off. Okay, here's the memory slot, one M.2, second M.2 if you like to install. Where is it? Is it? The precaution, make sure if you're cleaning CPU fan, don't put too much air pressure, otherwise these blades could break. Battery model, inside quick look. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.